Good morning children, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing good. I am your maths teacher Rajlakshmi Desai. Today we are going to study about the line segments under the chapter line segments. Here you can see a line segment PQ. Then what do you mean by line segment? It is a part of a line. Here if I consider line L, line segment PQ is a portion of a line where it has got two end points and it has a definite length. It has got the exact length. We can measure the line segment. Children, let us understand how many line segments are there in these two figures. PQ, QS, SR and PR. If I highlight the points P, Q, S and R, you can observe the line segment has got two end points. So let us count one by one. PQ 1 line segment, QS 2, SR 3, PS 4, PR 5 lines. Totally there are 5 line segments in this figure. Here in the second figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which there are totally 7 line segments in the second figure. Which are the line segments we have observed here? Line segment AB, BC, CD, DE, EA, then AD, the last one is AC. Totally we have 7 line segments. Children, now let us understand how to construct the line segments of the given lengths using the compass. Children, to construct the line segment, we need the compass and pencil as well as ruler. Here, while fixing the compass, you have to keep in mind that the compass fixed point and the pencil are either equal or either the pencil can be little more than the fixed point. To fix it, you have to keep the compass as well as the pencil on the table or the book. Then you need to fix it. Children, now let us construct the line segment 3.1 centimeter. To construct the line segment, first we have to fix a point here. Let me take this point as A, and now take the ruler and exactly measure 3.1 centimeter. Here you can see there are 10 division between 0, 0 and 1 centimeter. Totally there are 10 divisions. I think you can observe here. So where do you get 3.1? 3.1 is after 3, the first division is 3.1 centimeter. So to measure it, we have to keep the ruler horizontally on the book. First fix 0, then adjust with the pencil exactly at the 3.1 centimeter. Now I have measured 3.1 centimeter. At the point A, fix the one of the end of the compass and then make an arc with the pencil. Then you have to join the arc as well as the fixed point A. You get a point, call it as B. So this is the line segment AB of measure 3.1 centimeter. Let us know how to construct the line segment 7.4 centimeter. Take a fixed point or take a point P, and then as usual you have to measure 7.4 centimeter. From 0 you have to measure 7.4 centimeter. Children, this is 7. After 7 you have to count 4 divisions. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the fourth division. Till there you need to adjust the compass. I have adjusted 7.4 or measured 7.4 centimeter. I'll take the fixed point at P and then I'll draw an arc. After that I take a ruler and then join the arc and the point P. Here I get a point, call it as Q. PQ is the line segment of length 7.4 centimeter. In this way we construct the line segments. Children, let us know some of the examples of line segments in our daily life or around our environment. Here is a book. The edge of the book can be taken as the line segment. The edge of the ruler can be taken as the line segment. Edge of the pencil, edge of the pen are the some of examples for line segments from our environment. With this, let us solve some of the problems here. Construct a line segment AB of length 7.5 centimeter. Children, we need to construct a line segment and call it as AB. Here is I am drawing a rough figure so that you will get an idea how we have to draw. Here we have to draw the line segment AB of 7.5 centimeter. From this line segment we need to cut off a line segment AC. To cut the line segment AC we have to start with the A and we have to measure 3.2 centimeter from the ruler and then cut an arc and measure its measure should be 3.2 centimeter. Then measure the length of the remaining line segment CB. This measurement we have to measure and how much it is we have to write. Let us start with the help of the ruler. Now let us start to construct a line segment. For that you need to take a point and call it as BA. With the help of the compass and pencil we need to measure exactly 7.5 centimeter. After you measure exactly 7.5 centimeter, keep the fixed point at A and draw an arc. After that, join point A and the arc. You get a point here, call it as B. Now AB is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Again, take a ruler and then measure 3.2 centimeter. This is exactly 3.2 centimeter. From A, cut an arc. You get a point, call it as C. AC is equal to 3.2 centimeter. Therefore, to find CB, let us write how much is the total length of the line segment AB. AB is 7.5 centimeter. Then the measure of line segment AC is 3.2 centimeter. Therefore, CB will be, this is the remaining part. Therefore, we have to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. Therefore, the line segment CB has to be 4.3 centimeter. You have to measure with the help of the ruler. It is exactly 4.3 centimeter. It has to be 4.3 centimeter. So the measure of CB is 4.3 centimeter. You have to write. Next is question. If AB is equal to 3.8 centimeter and CD is equal to 2.5 centimeter, let us write the measurement of AB here, that is 3.8 centimeter. Then CD is equal to 2.5 centimeter. we have to construct a line segment whose length is the sum of the lengths of these two line segments and measure it. To find the sum of these two line segments, we need to add the two line segments measurement. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 plus 3 is 6.3 centimeter is the line segment AD. Children, now let us draw the line segment AD. First, mark a point A and then take the ruler and measure exactly 6.3 centimeter. From 0, it has to be 6.3 centimeter. Fix the point A and then cut an arc. Join the point and the arc. You get one more point here, call it as D. Therefore, AD is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Children, with this we have finished the concept of line segments. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.